All right, thanks, Chase. Well, Kevin Badgley with the Missouri Department of Conservation joins us. Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me in.
Of course, we're going to talk about something called Spider Safari today. Going to talk about the different spiders in Missouri and why actually a lot of them are really important.
Yes, we have hundreds of different spiders in Missouri. Most people never see a lot of the different species, and they don't realize what they can do for us. But, you know, spiders are arthropods, meaning they have jointed legs. They have more legs than insects, so they're classified a little different. But what they do is they eat a lot of pests, insects that we have. And this one that I have right here is one of the largest ones that we have. This is a smaller version, but this is the Texas tarantula, or the Missouri brown. A lot of people also call it the Oklahoma tarantula, but this is the one that's native to most of the state, pretty much from Missouri River down south. It's found right here locally in the 4 states on open glady areas. A lot of people are worried about tarantulas or big hairy spiders and things of that nature. Nothing to fear with this. I'm very reclusive, stays away out at night, eats insects, but like a lot of the spiders that we have, they are beneficial, eating a lot of pest insects in your garden, around your house, and things like that. But if people are interested in learning about spiders, we have the Spider Safari. We're going to talk about the beneficial spiders, the benefits, and then also after being inside for a little bit, we're going to go out and explore around the glades and actually take a look at some of the spiders in the evening.
That's pretty cool. I think it's important to kind of understand them a little bit better, because even I'm like a little bit like, you can hold it, you know, but it really isn't. I mean,
no, they're not.
It's not harmful.
It's just they are kind of large and creepy and hairy, and sometimes it is they just surprise us, or we get into the web and we're worried about that. But they are very beneficial to us. And then of course around Halloween, now we're already in October. You're associating spiders and bats and things with Halloween. But it's just a good time for people to get out and enjoy, understand what's out there and their surroundings. But also it's a good way to get out and enjoy a night hike. A lot of people don't get to go out into the fall in the evening time because they get, by the time they get home it's already dark. It's okay to go out there, and we're going to take flashlight, go out there, find some different spiders that are out and about, but also learn about the ones that are beneficial. And then also one thing we do want to err a little bit on caution. We do have a couple of spiders that you do need to be aware of as the temperatures are cooling out and you're getting out there and working in the yard. The black widow, a lot of time around the house, they'll have a little messy nest or web along maybe the foundation of your house or some of the wood, so you need to watch out for that. And then in your house and around is the brown recluse or the fiddleback spider. And again, easy to tell. They've got that violin on the back, that kind of gray spot, but shake out your clothing anytime that hasn't been disturbed in a while. Make sure that you really shake that out. It's a good way to get your kids to clean the room.
Yeah, definitely.
Because, anything that's disturbed, they don't like to be around. So pick up those clothes. But if you are getting things, Christmas decorations and things like that you're looking at, fall decorations, just make sure that you're aware that they are around, and keep those areas a little bit tidy.
Yep. All righty. So once again, tell me about if people need to register ahead of time, just show up, anything like that. Yeah,
if they want to be involved, then they can give us a call, 629-3423, or they can go onto our website, Missouri Department of Conservation, look up all the cool programs. But it's coming up next week. It's going to be 6:30, so an evening program. Like I said, dress for the weather. It's going to be a little bit of chill, and also be prepared to go outside. But basically, it's a great time to get out in the fall weather. Chase also mentioned, the weather is changing a little bit, and the last time to get out and go fishing, we actually do have another fishing program Saturday at Walter Woods. So if you want one more time to wet that line, catch a few fish, and have a good time here close, you can also come by and register and get going for that as well.
And that Walter Woods pond is a lot of fun. We've gone fishing there, Chase and I have, and you, and it's, I'm sure that it's a little bit, weeded out now, but yeah.
It's stocked and ready to go, so if families are interested in learning about that, we can talk about it. And then even if you come down Saturday, maybe we can talk about fishing spiders and some of the other spiders that are out there, because we do have some aquatic spiders as well. So again, somehow get involved, come out to the Nature Center. We'll be happy to see you. If you want to learn about spiders and the Spider Safari that's coming out, it's October 8th, so we hope we'll see you out there.
Yeah, I agree. I think this is a good way to kind of, I think it's just ingrained in our culture that spiders are scary. And so I think it's just really kind of a mental thing that I grew up with. And I need to get over it. I think a lot of people do. So you're clearly good to go. You're like, it's fine.
You just got to know what they are and know to respect them and let them be there and do their thing. You're right.
Yeah, absolutely. All right. Thanks, Kevin.
Thank you.